Hi guys, this is my bike check. It is a 2010 Eastern Night Prowler. It has removable brake mounts and integrated seat clamp. I have the the nitrous single wall front rim. It's only $80 and I do not recommend it. It sucks. I have my standard peg, standard forks that came with the bike, and Cane Creek headset. I don't know if you can see that. I have Eastern choker stem, silver. ODI long neck grips with the flanges cut off, and my ODI bar ends. My handlebars, I am not completely sure. I got them off my friend for $20. Quit biking. Yeah, here's my frame. Got the Eastern lettered stem and the pivotal seatpost. I have the Eastern Medusa sprocket. It's really good, nice and light. My standard cranks and standard pedals. I'm not sure what kind of pedals they are. Probably put that in the description. I have the nitrous double wall back rim in purple. It is a good rim for $80. Honestly, it's nice and light. I have the KMC chain in white, 25:9 gear ratio, then my standard peg, and my cheap ass hub cleaners. My treads are the Eastern Curb Monkey in 2.25, front and back. I popped my tire before biking season was over, so I gotta replace that. And my bottom bracket is a mid-bottom bracket. 2.25 fits actually pretty good in here, but if your rim's bent a little, it'll rub, so I guess it's not that good. And I'll be uploading some edits soon, but currently it is winter outside. That's all. Rate, comment, subscribe.